Welcome back to my channel. My name is Adelyn, and today I'm going to be starting off a brand new series on my channel all about our wedding planning and just getting ready for our wedding. I am so excited to be filming this. If you guys enjoy these videos, make sure to give them a big thumbs up and subscribe. But yeah, so I have been super inspired by one of my favorite YouTubers I love to watch is Lauren Doan, and she just recently got married and she had a whole series on her channel of just the wedding planning process, and she broke them up into different episodes. So I was like, you know what, I'm really inspired by this. I want to do something similar. So in today's wedding vlog and prep for just everything, it's just going to be the first one, just super simple stuff that I've started so far. So I think it's almost 2 weeks ago, we toured a venue that we loved. So we had been online, or I had specifically been online, venue hunting for the longest time. I was just searching and searching and searching. There's this really helpful website called Here Comes the Guide, and it broke down everything by price, and like I found a lot of really pretty venues, but there wasn't anything that really stuck out to me. There was this one, so I ended up doing a phone consultation with them and everything, and so I was still like pretty unsure. And then randomly my mom texted me and was like, hey, remember this historic home that it's right next to this park, it's not that far from our house, do you remember that house? You should check it out to see if they do weddings. And I went on their website, I saw that they didn't really have a ton of info, so I emailed them that night, and then I went on Instagram and I was looking at the location, and I was literally just like amazed. I fell completely in love. I think I did not go to sleep for like an hour and a half that night. I was just looking at people's wedding photos from the venue, and I was like so excited, and I started going on Pinterest and like finding all this stuff. So I was literally praying that night. I was like, God, this is like the desire of my heart. I pray this aligns with your will, because I really love this venue and I really want it to work out. And so then they didn't respond to me for a couple days, and then the following like couple days they finally responded, and it sounded really positive, and they were like, you know, come on out and tour. And so we ended up touring I think it was that day or the next day. It was super quick. We ended up touring it, and my mom, Damien, and I all went, and I literally fell in love with it, and so did they. And what I loved about it is a lot of the other venues, they make you pick like their catering and their, you know, decoration company and their wedding coordinators and like all this stuff. It's cool because it's all inclusive. So if you don't really like to have to go find all that stuff, you just do it straight through them, which is cool, but not something I really wanted. I wanted to pick everything myself. And so when I found this one, they call it like a blank canvas, and it's open. And so I actually did vlog it because I expected to go on multiple tours for venues, but we literally ended up going with that one that week, and we signed everything and we got our date. So yeah, it's really exciting, and I'm honestly like super stoked about it because it's everything I literally dreamed of from like being a little girl and just thinking about my wedding one day. This is like exactly what I thought it would look like, and so I'm super excited, and everything is pretty good pricing and everything, so it fit into our budget, which was really exciting, and I honestly wasn't expecting. And so I feel like the Lord definitely had his hand on us, and it was totally his provision and his plan and everything. He gave us so much peace about not touring anywhere else, just, you know, going with it. And literally all these other venues I was looking at, they had like, you know, Thursdays available, Mondays, you know, some Sundays and Fridays. And then this one, I was like, okay, so it's so beautiful. I was expecting like there to be barely any availability because we're getting married next spring. And so I was like, you know, that's kind of soon. And she was like, yeah, we have pretty much every Saturday in April, May, and June open. So like you can pick. And I was like, literally what? So she's like, yeah, we don't book that far in advance. But then the other venues I talked to, they're already literally booked for the whole spring, and they barely have any availability left. So it was a total God thing. And I'm so grateful that he led us to that and showed my mom, and we literally brought it to her mind of like remembering it. So I'll show you guys the vlog footage from when we were there. I kept debating back and forth if I wanted to keep this a surprise or if I wanted to show it, but honestly, I'm really excited and I just wanted to put it in the vlog and show it. So this is going to be our venue, and this is a full kind of tour video that I took, and I'm really stoked about it. So watch this. Hey guys, so we just came to the first venue we're checking out. I fell in love with this one online, and so we decided to come and tour today. So I'm gonna take a couple clips and just show you guys around, and we'll see how it goes. I'm not sure if it'll end up working out or not, but we'll see. so then after touring the venue, you know, we're going on a trip in a couple weeks, and so we're gonna be gone on a mission trip for 2 weeks, and so I really wanted to have a couple things planned out before we left. I didn't want it to be fully like all on us to have to do it before, but I didn't want to wait till after because that would take too long. So I decided to ask my bridesmaids, which are people that are so special to me, and I thought I would love to, you know, ask in a fun way. So I did vlog that as well, and so I ended up making them little cards and putting it together, buying them some flowers, and then giving it to them at the park. So I'll show you guys that vlog footage too. Hey guys, so today is Memorial Day, meaning I had the day off from work, and so this morning I took out Damien's younger sister Samantha out to brunch. She had no idea why. We've hung out a couple times before, so it wasn't really like too out of the blue, and so I took her out to brunch and I asked her if she would be one of my bridesmaids, and she was so sweet. She was so excited, and I have a little clip of it right here. And so yeah, it was super fun and super cute, and so I'm really excited. I got to make all the cards, which was a lot of fun, and so I wanted to give each girl something really simple. I've seen a lot of big, you know, the boxes with all the stuff, but I was like, honestly, I kind of just want to do like really simple and not make it like a huge thing. So basically I made all the cards, and then I got all the girls flowers, and so that was Damien's sister this morning, and now I'm going to have a little dinner hang. I asked them if they wanted to go out like to a restaurant or like dinner or whatever, and they all know me so well, and they were like, because I love Little Caesars pizza, and they were like, honestly, what if we just took Little Caesars to the park? And I was like, yes, like that sounds like a great idea. So we're going to the park. I got each of them flowers from Trader Joe's, as you can see, super cute. And so I'm just gonna give them the card and I'm just gonna give them the card and the flowers, and I'll film their reactions. It'll be super cute. I'll take lots of pictures at the little picnic, and so yeah, I'm really excited. I don't think anyone's gonna say no, but I'm sure they won't, honestly. But I'm excited to get to ask them if they would want to be a bridesmaid. So I'm gonna have 6 in total. So to be 5 of my friends and Damien's sister. So super pumped about that. I'll show you guys their reactions. So now it's about 7-8 days before we leave for our trip, and I honestly feel really good about wedding planning stuff. It's been so fun so far. So we sat down with my family, we created the budget and everything, and then once we had the date and the venue secured, I literally feel so much better because I do wedding photography, so being in the industry, I know that finding the venue is the most important thing. So we started with our guest count. We're like, okay, where are we at? So we made our whole guest list, and then we're like, okay, this is where we're at. And then we decided to go tour venues, and we literally toured one. And so then we had the venue secured, and the date with the venue is so helpful. And then we were able to ask everyone else and kind of pick some vendors. So we're about to sign with our photographer, and then I've reached out to videographer, and I've reached out to some catering options and some coordinator options. So I'm definitely in a fun planning process, and I'm about to put it all on pause while we go on our missions trip, which I'm super excited about, just to not think about it for a while and then pick it back up when we get back. So when we get back, we will be bridesmaid dress shopping, my dress shopping. Damien will ask his guys, and we'll probably start to get more of the ball rolling for securing the caterer and securing some of the rentals and stuff like that. So I honestly feel super good about it, and I'm really, really excited overall for our wedding. It literally has started to become like a dream come true of everything, and just how everything's going so far is really, really smooth, and I can totally see God's hand in all of it, and I really feel like this is totally his will, because we kept deciding, like, do we want to get married at the end of 2023, the beginning? And I feel like God was like, you know what, I really want you guys to get married at this time and this place, and I just feel like it's all falling into the pieces, and it makes me feel so happy that like we feel peace about it and we're not stressed about it. So I know the stress will probably come later. I'm gonna try not to, but I'm sure that it will. So for right now, I feel great about everything, and just can't wait to finish everything else and start working on like fun DIYs and stuff. So I'll be vlogging all of that. I'll be vlogging the dress shopping and my dress shopping, so the bridesmaids, and then with mine, I'll be vlogging, you know, I'll try to get Damien asking the guys and stuff. But if you guys want to follow along on this whole wedding journey, I would love for you guys to follow along with all the vlogs and episodes and everything. So make sure to subscribe down below and give this video a thumbs up. If you want to follow me on Instagram too, you can. It's at @AddieOwls, and I always answer you guys' prayer requests. I love when you guys send DMs, you know, with biblical questions or life advice or whatever. It's fun to get to talk to you guys, so I'm always available there. But I hope to see you guys in my next video, and I hope you have a blessed week. All right, bye guys.